So I release, I surrender, I forgive, I flow, I am free. All right, so if you are comfortable, please close your eyes for a few moments. If that's uncomfortable, just find a spot on the ground in front of you, or if you're at home joining us online on your desk or the wall, just find a place where you can soften your gaze. And just invite a nice slow inhalation. And mirror that with a nice slow exhalation. And my invitation is that as you breathe through this meditation, as you move forward, as you breathe in, allow whatever there is that might come up that could be let go of. You don't have to judge it. You don't have to, is that right? Is that wrong? Just allow. If something comes up right now that you could let go of, that you could release, that you could surrender to, allow that to be part of your inhalation breath. And then as you exhale, just let that go. You can even say to yourself, I am free to let that go. And I invite you now to just place a hand on your heart space. And notice your breath filling your chest. And notice your chest letting that breath go. This is that breath of life. I like to think of it as that story in Genesis where that breath is breathed into us. And how ever since we entered this world, we've had this breath. It's so normal we don't even think about it. So let's spend a moment here acknowledging that breath. How we can breathe love and harmony into a space, and we can exhale anything that no longer serves us. And just notice if you feel a little lighter, feel a little more connected. If you can bring a gentle smile to your face. I think of that Eddie Watkins song, "This is the place where God shows up." Yeah, it's right here. It's in you. It's in me. It's in all of us. And so together, let's take a nice deep inhale together. Let that go. Thank you so much for being here today. I so appreciate you. Namaste.